So yeah, guys, this home's 15 here back again, and yeah, I'm probably gonna get stung because of course I'm standing like 20-30 feet from bees and I'm a little bit allergic, but I'll do this for yous, film it. So yeah, hopefully, wish me luck I don't get stung because I don't feel like getting bit today. Because I don't know if you can tell, but there is over probably 1,000 bees just flying around mad. But yep, whole thing is down almost. Just gotta knock that wall over back there and it's down. So just like one more thing and then whole building, it's done. Not too bad at all. At all. Oh man, you start driving that machine this way, they're falling, so I'm Alright guys, I might back up in a second because I kind of lie, I hate keep saying it, but the bees are starting to fly a little bit closer my way. So I might back up in a second a little bit. That or, you know what? Let's be a little crazy. Let's get closer. Why not? Ooh, there was one flying right towards me. Put my hood up on my head, just in case. Hey guys, I get this close up. See them all? They are mad. That's because we just destroyed their whole house. They mad. Anywho guys, I'll do just a short once it's done.